Hello everyone, today's video is to teach you how to set up Printalogue. We shall first introduce to you what Printalogue is. Basically, Printalogue is a print catalog. You can put all your printed product information and prices in the Printalogue. Then your customers can choose their own products and get the price directly. First of all, you can click the link below through our email to visit to our dashboard interface. You can enter this login email and password. Then we log in. After logging in, you will enter our product page. Then we're going to set up our Printalogue. We click Printalogue at the top left. We can see the URL in the Printalogue. The URL is the URL of your online directory. We can put a domain name. And then we can click check to see if this URL is available first. It has been ensured that no one is using this name. Okay, this domain name is available. About the URL link of this Printalogue, it has a very important point. We need to pay attention. When we enter our domain name, once we click Save below, the domain name cannot be changed. We need to make sure that this domain name is correct. After that, we can put our company logo. We can upload our logo according to his size suggestion. Then we put our company name and enter your WhatsApp number. When the customer wants to inquire about the product order, the WhatsApp number to receive customer message. After that, there is a contact us here. You can set your company's address and information. For example, we can tag the outlet address as headquarters. You can enter your outlet address. Google Map will sync automatically. Here we just put an address first. We will put a company contact number here. Then there is our WhatsApp number. Then also put your email address. Then if you have your own official website, you can also include a link to your website first. If not, we can leave it blank or put your social media link. After that, we can put in our business hours. If we are closed on Saturdays and Sundays, we can fill in closed. After we have all the data set up, we just click Save. Okay, we can click this button here to take a look at our Printalogue. You can see that this is our company logo. Then we can see it here and contact us. It's our address information. This is our address, the information we just set up. So our Printalogue is basically set up completed.